Sales is a game of momentum, and data is what keeps it moving. Close reporting helps you cut through the noise and focus on what's really moving the needle, all in just a few clicks. Hey there, I'm Emily from Close, and I'm here to give you a quick tour of our reporting features designed to help you stop guessing and start selling smarter. So let's dive into how Close helps you turn insight into action fast. If you are new here and land on the reports feature, you're going to land into our activity overview page, which gives you a high-level view into your team's performance and insights into key activities that help your team close deals as quickly as possible. It tracks calls, emails, SMS messages, and new leads created, and also total opportunities won or lost, your choice. Now, as you can see, this is viewing our all-time activity on this report page. You can look at this week, this month, quarter, or year, and even compare it to the same week last month, last quarter, or last year. You can customize what you want to see on the screen by either adding a tile, and you can look at new things like SMS messages, or you can click on the table view on the right-hand side of the screen and click multiple different types of activities that you want to look at. You can also see your leaderboard, who has won the most opportunities, and you can even dial in these insights by specific smart views you might have set up. It'll filter and look at what you really need to focus in on so you can overview, analyze, and coach your team into closing more deals. You can even focus on what specific users are doing, what types of activities they're performing. I'm going to focus in on another user and what type of activities they've been performing inside the account. Now we're going to go down to activity comparison, which will give you a table of all of your teammates on your account, what opportunities they're closing or won, all the activities they are taking inside the account, including sending emails, calls, SMS messages, you name it. We can even start breaking down your opportunity funnel, showing how things have been performing in each stage of your sales process, so you can analyze where leads are slipping through the cracks and which part of your sales process people are slipping through. If you want to look at status changes, you can see where your lead status is changed in terms of when they were potential, qualified, customer, where they started, where they ended. And then you can even use our Explorer feature, which will create custom graphs or charts for you. This is available on scale plans. If you want to just look at what emails have been sent out over time, you can look at our sent email report, which will break down specific email templates and when they were sent, opened, open rates, and response rates. If you want to look at a really high level view too, you can also look at our opportunities section, which will give you a breakdown more specifically on which opportunities are moving through each pipeline stage. And another opportunities feature is our list feature that a lot of sales managers really love because it gives a very high level view of what opportunities are open, their total value, and where they are in closing expectancy. You can group those by month, quarter, year, or user, and you can also export those into CSV files. That's all available in our Close reporting features, which give you full visibility into your pipeline and team performance so you can coach, prioritize, and close deals as quickly as possible. Just explore the reports tab to see which reporting works for you. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out to our support team. You can find a quick and easy access to them by clicking the question mark in the upper right-hand corner of our app and contact support, and we'll get you unblocked as quickly as possible. Happy selling!